Hello, my fellow entrepreneurs, and today I'll be showing you 7 proven ways to make money on Instagram. So stay tuned. All right, so today I will be showing you how you can make money from Instagram. And I'll be showing you 7 different ways that you can bring in income from Instagram. And at the end of this video, I will be sharing with you one of the most successful methods that I have been using and my business partners have been using to generate money or income from Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Now, my name is Renoir. I'm the money miser, and I show individuals how to make income online. And this is actually my first video showing you how you can make money online. I've been doing a series on how to grow an Instagram account, and I will continue to do that series. But the reason why I was showing individuals how to grow an Instagram account because I wanted to show them how they can also monetize that Instagram account later on. So let us go straight into the 7 ways, proven ways to make money on Instagram. The first method that I would like to talk about is shoutouts. Shoutouts is the first and easiest thing that you can do in how to generate money from Instagram, but it's also the least way to make money on Instagram. I will say you can do shoutouts and save your money to invest later on and to do the other methods that I was showing you on how to make money on Instagram. But with shoutouts, your account needs to be at least maybe 50,000 followers before people start messaging you on a regular to make money. Now, how does this work? Individuals will message you in the DMs saying that, hey, I would like to buy a shout out or to advertise a product or service on your Instagram page. So all you would do, you would give them your rate. If your account is between 50 to 100,000 followers, you can expect to make anywhere from $25 to $100 a shout out. And if your account is over 100,000 followers, you can expect anywhere from $100 plus, depending on how much followers you have, for a shout out on your page. You can either do a story shout out or a permanent post shout out. And the story shout out you can do for 24 hours. The account, when I had 50,000 followers, I used to charge individuals anywhere from $25 to $50 for every single shout out on that page. So let's say you charge $50 for a shout out and you do 6 shout outs every week. That's about $300 per week. And that will equate to about $1,200 per month. Now, this is not going to get you rich or not going to make you a lot of money, but it's a good start. And with shoutouts, it takes time to build up the account before you start making money. So shoutouts is one of the methods. Another method that you can use, number 2, is coaching. You can do coaching. If you have, let's say, a fitness page and you have a lot of followers in the fitness realm and you want to coach individuals in fitness, you can advertise your services or send individuals to a website so they can sign up for your coaching, fitness, or you can do financial advice coaching, you can do health coaching, because I even operate different health pages and individuals have questions all the time in how to be healthy, how to change your life around, and you can actually coach them and charge them for your coaching services on the page. Now, number three is affiliate marketing. And I want to jump to my computer here and also show you what affiliate marketing looks like. So the first website I'll be showing you about affiliate marketing is ClickBank. ClickBank is a great resource for individuals who do not want to make a product, who just want to have just leverage on someone else's product and advertise that on your Instagram page. So when you go to ClickBank here, there are different categories that you can actually go to. Let's say we have an Instagram account that is catered around health. So I'll click on the health and fitness category here. And when you look at ClickBank, you can sort the different products by popularity. And I like to do this here because if a product is popular or it's selling very well, then it probably sell well on my Instagram page as well. So then the first thing that I see here is Cinderella Solution. So looking at this product here, I can see it's probably something about weight loss. And what you do, you click on this product here, and it will bring you to the promotional material, and it will tell you more about the product. So there is a video that you can watch about the product here. You can look at the promote. You can click on promote here. Okay, so when you click on promote, it will show you here that you can make about 75% commission on this product. So if this product is selling for $33, and I will jump in and get my calculator here. So if this product is selling for $33.59, and you make a commission of 75%, that will give you about $25 every time someone buys this product. So let's say you sell maybe 2 of these products a day, and that will bring you to $50. And then you sell this product, advertising this product every single day. 2 people buy this product, you will make about $350 every single week, or that will be $1,400 a month, just by advertising someone else's product that you don't have to even make yourself. You don't have to come up with any promotional material or what to say. They will give you all of that, and you can just copy that and formulate an Instagram post that you can post on your specific page. And there is another website that will give you some free resources on how to really do affiliate marketing. That is Affilorama. Affilorama is a great website, a great resource that will give you information, give you video lessons, and it'll give you a roadmap in how to really do affiliate marketing successfully. The next website many of you guys know about already. It's Amazon Associates. What you would do, you'll actually advertise different products from Amazon. You can even set up your own store with your own name on there, and every single person who buys a product from Amazon from your link, you will get a commission from that. And that commission can go all the way up to 10%. So the more products that you sell, the more money that you make. And you can look into Amazon Associates program. It's free to join, to sign up. And also, if I'm going a little too fast throughout all the different methods to bring in income from Instagram, I would advise you to click the link below. I will be posting all the links for these different websites and different various ways to make money from Instagram. So let's go to our next method I'll be talking about here today. And our next method is blogs. Let's say you have an Instagram page like Viral Threads. I'm sure you've heard about VT before. They're very popular on Facebook and also on Instagram. And they also have a blog to the website. And in the blog here, I saw this post on the blog, the vt.co blog, and it says, Woman's hilariously brutal Instagram call out of a sister goes viral. So they wrote a post all about a woman calling out a sister. That post going viral. They made a blog about that. And as you can see, the first thing that you see here on this blog post is an ad. That's Google AdSense here, and all throughout the post you would see ads. And I could count so many ads here. And every single person who clicks on those ads or those banners, they will get a certain commission, or they'll get paid a certain amount. It varies on the topic and also the traffic that is generated on the blog post. But blog post is a really nice method in bringing income from your Instagram page. And when your Instagram page can push your blog post where you can gain more traction organically, and that will bring you some nice passive income. While you're sleeping, you'll be making that money. The next method I want to talk to you about is information products. So info products is a great way to make money from Instagram. You have to make that first initial effort in making the info product, but after that it becomes much easier. You don't have to spend time keep making products anymore, and also it's not a physical product that you have to ship out and worry about all this different customer service and shipments getting lost and all of these different issues that you get with selling physical products. So info products is great. And I saw these guys here from the money making page, and I saw that they actually have a free ebook in the link, in the bio link. And on the bio link, when you go to this product here, it says you get free ebooks, and they're giving a limited time offer for the free ebooks on e-commerce and investing and many different subjects. So if you put your information here, that's a great way to get people to sign up for your newsletters or to get the contact information so you can advertise to them later on some of your other products and you can upsell them. So they are using this method here, selling or giving an info product for free to get email addresses so that they could sell people later on. And you can do info products on anything. If you have a food page, you can do a recipe ebook. If you have a fitness page, you can do a weight loss ebook, and so many different information products you can develop. You can even have people sign up for a membership on your website to bring them through a weight loss program. So keep information products in mind. It takes some time to set it up at the beginning, but you don't have to go back to that information product. You may have to update information, but it has a lifespan that will keep bringing you money later on. So now let's get into more of what I love doing with Instagram and also making money online. The next method I'll be talking to you about is print on demand. Print on demand have been rising, have been getting more popular lately. And what you do, you go on a website like Printify, and you don't ever have to print a whole bunch of t-shirts or mugs or different various products that you can print on. You don't have to print bulk and then have it shipped to your house, stored in your basement, then try to sell it. And if it doesn't sell, guess what? You're stuck with 1,000 different t-shirts or mugs or whatever it is that you're printing. Print on demand works like this. When someone buys a product from you, the information will be sent to a fulfillment center, and they will print the product out as the orders come in. So print on demand is a very, very good method that you could follow. You don't need to pay a whole bunch of money up front. You can basically make money starting from today without spending that initial upfront money. This website here, printify.com, it'll show you best print on demand providers one click away, and they have a whole bunch of products that you could choose from t-shirts to hoodies to accessories to mugs to phone cases. And the thing with Printify, and also there's another website that does print on demand, is Printful. Printful is the same idea. All you do is make different custom designs, and then you will slap those designs onto different products, and when you get an order, they will fulfill that order for you. So they will ship out the products for you, and they will send the products to your customers, deal with customer service, and all these different things there. So it's really easy to start your print on demand business by leveraging Instagram. And the only downfall with Printful and Printify is that you need to have an e-commerce platform. And I love using Shopify, but you have to pay every single month for the service. And if you're wondering, I cannot afford to pay every single month for a specific service, then you could use another website, which is Teespring. Teespring, you actually putting all your products on their platform, on their website, and also when you sell more, you'll be able to sell to people who are visiting a Teespring website itself. The only thing is you don't have control over your customers and the emails and marketing, remarketing to them, and so forth. And it's always the greatest, it's always best to have your own website, your own platform, because if things change on their platform, they basically have control, even though you have your products listed on their website. So it's almost like Amazon and all these other different platforms. And Teespring here is a great way to test out products. If you do not want to invest money in paying for a monthly subscription for an e-commerce website, you can actually just upload it on here, see what is selling the best, and then start your website when you found out what is selling the best for you. So let's get into one of my favorite ways to bring in income online, especially from Instagram, and that is drop shipping. You would go to a website here called Shopify and you'll sign up for an account. And I'll have the links down below in the description so you can check that out. And Shopify here is one of the best platforms that I've seen till this date that would allow you to have an e-commerce store. They actually have themes. You have free themes with them, and you can get a free trial. If you click the link below, you can sign up for a free trial, 14-day trial, 2 weeks for free with them. And then if you look at the pricing, their plan can range anywhere from $29 to $299 per month. I do not see the need for going $299 per month. You can actually just do $29 a month. And what this platform would allow you to do, it'll allow you to sell products from the manufacturer themselves. You can use an app called Oberlo, and Oberlo will allow you to list products from directly from the manufacturer. And you'll go to a website here called AliExpress. AliExpress is an international website where different manufacturers from overseas would list the products on this website, on this platform, and the prices of these products. When you begin to go through there, you'll see that it's very, very low cost. And you can take any products here. And one of the products I've been advertising a lot lately on Facebook and Instagram is activated charcoal. And you can actually search on here for activated charcoal, and you can go and sort it by orders. And first product that you'll see here is teeth whitening. And I'm sure you have seen this product selling for anywhere from $9.99 to $14.99 on different stores. So you can actually multiply this product here that you've seen on AliExpress by 3, and you'll be able to make 3 times the profit. With Instagram, advertising on Instagram, leveraging Instagram to generate traffic to your e-commerce store from Shopify is one of the best methods to start drop shipping. You do not have to pay for Facebook ads, which is very expensive starting up, to try to learn what sells the best, what advertisements work. So starting an Instagram page will allow you to start selling products from your own e-commerce store without paying upfront money. And you would advertise those products either from your permanent posts or from your story. You can do story ads, and you would insert the link to this product to your e-commerce store, and people will visit your website and buy that product, and you'll be making a bigger margin on profit. All you have to do is spend $2.78 here for this product, and then you probably shipping is probably free, or you pay a little amount for shipping. And if you look at ePacket here, ePacket I would recommend, and you get these products to your customers within 2 weeks to about 3 weeks if you use the ePacket shipping. And that's $1.92. So let's say $2 plus $2.78, that's about $4.78 or $5. And if you sell this product for, let's say, like $12.99, you'll be making almost, $5 to $10 profit on this product. And if you sell about 10 of those products every single day, you can possibly make $50 to $100 a day selling on your e-commerce store leveraging Instagram. And this video here, I've done a brief on how to make money from Instagram. I want to go to each of these different methods here in more detail in the future. So please feel free to subscribe. I will be releasing videos on how to make money online. And I've just shown you today how to make money using Instagram. If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to continue to see the content from my YouTube channel, please feel free to subscribe. Until then, have a blessed day.